welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 20th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Host Hotels and Resorts, the largest lodging real estate investment trust in the U.S. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Host Hotels and Resorts has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue growth to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Host Hotels reported a net revenue of $1.428 billion for the fourth quarter, up 7.9% from the previous year, and $5.684 billion for the full year 2024. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by improvements in food and beverage revenues from group business and an increase in ancillary spend. Despite the challenges such as the wildfires in Maui, Host Hotels managed to increase their comparable hotel Total RevPAR by 3.3% for the quarter and 2.1% for the full year.
However, we see a decline in net income, with $109 million for Q4 and $707 million for the full year. What factors contributed to this?
The decline in net income is largely due to a decrease in gains on asset sales and an increase in interest expenses. Additionally, the operating profit margin saw a slight decline due to increased wages and inflationary pressures.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 40 cents for Host Hotels, but the company reported an adjusted EPS of 44 cents. John, how significant is this beat?
This is a notable beat, especially considering the forecast was based on a survey of 9 analysts. The adjusted EPS of 44 cents indicates that Host Hotels managed to control costs effectively and optimize their operations, despite the external challenges they faced throughout the year.
What does this tell us about the company's operational efficiency?
It suggests that Host Hotels is successfully navigating the current economic environment, leveraging their strategic initiatives, and maintaining a strong focus on cost management and operational efficiencies.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Host Hotels completed $1.5 billion in acquisitions in 2024, including properties in new markets. How does this align with their strategic goals?
These acquisitions are part of Host Hotels' strategy to expand their portfolio with iconic and irreplaceable real estate. By entering 3 new markets, they are diversifying their geographic footprint, which can help mitigate risks associated with market-specific downturns.
They also returned $844 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. What does this indicate about their financial health?
This demonstrates a strong commitment to shareholder value. The ability to return such a significant amount of capital while continuing to invest in growth opportunities indicates a robust balance sheet and effective capital management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, Host Hotels has provided guidance for 2025, estimating a RevPAR growth of 1.0% to 3.0%. What are the key factors influencing this outlook?
The guidance reflects a stable operating environment with continued improvement in group business and a gradual recovery in Maui. However, they anticipate some margin pressures due to wage growth and increased real estate taxes.
How significant is the impact of the Maui wildfires on their operations?
The wildfires have had a notable impact, with an estimated 160 basis points effect on RevPAR. However, Host Hotels has settled their insurance claims, which should help mitigate some of the financial impacts moving forward.
Key takeaways. In summary, Host Hotels and Resorts has shown resilience in 2024, with strong revenue growth and strategic acquisitions. Their ability to beat EPS expectations and provide a positive outlook for 2025 is encouraging for investors. John, any final thoughts?
Host Hotels is well positioned to capitalize on future opportunities thanks to their strategic investments and strong balance sheet. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the 2025 guidance and any further developments in their portfolio.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Host Hotel's performance in the comments below.